Do you like solving technical problems? Are you good at science and math? You might consider becoming an engineer. Engineers are problem solvers who apply the theories and principles of science and mathematics to research and develop economical solutions to technical problems. Their work is the link between perceived social needs and commercial applications. However, it's always good to let students know what's ahead and help them understand how their choices may impact their life. Here we are providing the pros and cons of an engineering degree. Pros of an engineering degree. Engineering degrees usually dominate the best college degrees lists. It's a bit easier to get a job with an engineering degree than with a humanities degree. Engineering jobs pay well and are more stable than most other careers. Also, there is a wide variety of job opportunities. If you like solving problems, then the right engineering job will keep you busily happy. You would finally know how things work in real life. You would finally learn the science or engineering behind all machines. You can design and implement your own creation. Engineers often escalate to management positions and earn excellent money over the life of their careers. If a career in research is interesting, an engineering degree can pave the way to further study. An understanding of high-level math gives a greater understanding of the world around you, and application of this to real problems can be very satisfying. Abundant job opportunities worldwide. The world will always get more technically advanced and will need more engineers. Cons of an engineering degree. The engineering coursework can be quite difficult. If you don't have the aptitude for it, then you might not be able to get through it. More time in school than an associate's degree. Also, the cost for college will also be relatively high. Often, engineering students have very little opportunity to take business, manufacturing, art, or writing courses. The amount of stuff you learn at university is negligible to what you do in industry. In industry, you'll probably solve a problem that has never been encountered before. You need to keep learning new stuff to stay current in your field. The work can be stressful, especially when the equipment or structure has the potential to impact human life. Long work hours. It's hard to maintain a good work-life balance in the initial phase of an engineering career. Workload can be unpredictable and at times very high. Competitive atmosphere for promotion. Performance as perceived by superiors determines one's ability to be promoted. Need to do a lot of hard work during studies and also after studies until you get settled in a good job. Even after that, you have to continue to work hard to keep up with the latest technology. Studying never stops. Well, don't be scared. It is not that difficult as it looks to keep up with the latest technology. The bottom line is, you have to enjoy it. If you like tinkering with electronics, writing computer programs, designing buildings, or taking apart engines, then you might enjoy being an engineer. It's a tough decision to make when you're young, but reach out and try to talk to some real engineers if you're thinking about a career in engineering. It is much easier now with social media to contact people. Thank you for watching this video.